Hello everyone, how are you? Hope everybody's in good health. It's been a very long time that I have not doing any video. So today I came here to do another unboxing video, and recently I have acquired few fragrances, and today I'm going to show you the recent perfumes that I have acquired, and those are Parfums de Herod, and Leighton. I've got these two recently, and today I'm going to unbox only one, that is Herod. And to be honest, these two are my first niche fragrance that I acquired, and all the fragrances that I have are designers. So both of them are blind buy. I haven't smelled it before, but as all the reviewers say, like, these two are actually worthy to have it in your collection. So let's unbox this bad boy today, and let's see what I get. Okay, so let me open it up. There is the cellophane coming off. Okay, done. Threw it in the basket, and very much happy to own these two and to unbox it. Though I don't have any chance to actually like, if I don't like it, to throw it away, and even I don't like it, I cannot throw it away. So let's see. Okay, let me show you the presentation first of the box. Here you can see the logo, and it's written Parfums de Paris and 1743, and the box is plain, nothing here, only stripes, and the logo here, the horses, they are embossed, not the letters, and Herod also embossed. Okay, so it's a 125 ml bottle. Okay, here inside there is a card, some information written here, and in fact there is another one, and here is also some information. So let me see. I think one is in English and the other one is also in English. Okay, I don't know. So here also we have one silhouette of the logo, and this is how it is inside the box. So here comes the bad boy. Ta-da! Okay, so the bottle is very heavy, and as you pay the price, the bottle is worth it. Like, the price that you have to pay, at least, like, if you touch the bottle, you're gonna feel it. Yeah, it's worth it. The way they designed the bottle and everything. So here's the batch number, and it is also here, over here, look. So I think, like, I've got the recent version, and here's all the information at the back, and the older version, I think this lot number is written here in white, but I think I have got the recent formulation. And the bottle here, the Parfums de logo, the horses, and the Parfums de. Okay, it doesn't say Herod or what, anything, so I think it's better to keep in the box, so that, like, actually if you own like many bottles, you can actually find out like which one is which. So in the cap you can see engraved Parfums de Marly 1743. Okay, let me open it up. As everyone says, the cap is actually really heavy. Really heavy. I think like it puts on 25% of the weight to the bottle. Other than that, the bottle is quite light, like it's not that much heavy, but the cap is really heavy, so it clicks into place. Basically the cap actually put on the weight to the bottle. Nothing inside. Okay, but I think Downhill Icon, the bottle is really heavy. I think like that bottle is heavier than this. So let me spray it for the first time. Okay, nothing. Okay, this spray is kinda nice. Oh yes, very sweet. Not bad. I really like the opening. It's sweet. What kind of sweet should I say? I'm getting a bit of rose water, maybe like the rose water kind of sweet. And of course there's tobacco in it. I can get the tobacco from the back. And there's some kind of spice. I can get a bit of cardamom. Yeah, not bad, as the reviewer said. I liked it. Sweet based fragrance. Definitely tobacco, but tobacco as in not like Dolce & Gabbana, the one, or any other tobacco that I have smelled. But as many says, like, you know, I think like many compares this one with, or the Zara Rich Warren tobacco, they compare with this one. But I smelled that one once, but I think like it is not similar to me. I'm not getting that kind of smell. The tobacco here is very much rich, and also the scent is very much rich. I have to spray another one. Okay, look at the spray. Oh, I missed it. Okay, look at it. Like all the oils here. Can you see it? I think you cannot. Okay, but I don't know. I think as I haven't tested the older version, or this is the first time like I've smelled this one, but to me I think like it is not so potent, but it should be potent. I don't know like the reformulation has actually made it weaker or not, but actually the scent is really nice, very elegant. But for me, I will actually wear it with semi-formal or semi-casual, and also in suit and tie, but not like, you know, when you're dressed down. And at night time it's okay. And I think like, you know, the kind of potency that I'm getting, I think I can actually pull this off during summer evening also, if it is a colder night. Not like when it's very much high heat outside, but if you know that like you'll be indoors in air conditioned room, you can actually wear this, but not in the daytime. Definitely not for the daytime. But if you actually wear this with suit and tie, this fragrance will actually lift you up. Okay. But now like I'm not getting that much of, I don't know like how will be the longevity. I have to try, but to me now I think they've made this scent a bit weaker, because like I'm getting very much weak scent. It's very weak, so I don't know, like it's became weaker, I don't know. On my hand I sprayed like a few minutes ago, but I think like I have to smell it close. Okay, I'll try it further and let's see what I get. And I love the bottle, it's gorgeous. Fingerprint magnet though, but to me, like if you do like tobacco scent, you can actually try it, but as always, like never blind by fragrances. It's better to try first, because like not every fragrance is everyone's cup of tea, but to me I really liked it. And let's see like what I get because I'm not quite happy with the performance that I initially got. So let me see in future like what I get from this fragrance. So for today I'm signing off, and later I will come up with this bad boy. Okay, so for today, ta-ta.